having a garden tea party.
Cheers!
Spring is in the air, guys, and it's a wonderful time of year, a time of rebirth, a time when the birds, the butterflies, and the bees come out after the long, dreary winter. And we get to look at beautiful flowers. We buy them and we enjoy them in our garden. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over some ideas for your garden tea party. We're going to take a look at flowers, food, and all the wonderful things involved. And if this is your first time here, my name is Marlene. Welcome to Marlene's How-Tos, my home and garden channel. And today I'm joined by my sister, Andrea. So garden tea parties dates back centuries ago. And typically, it happens in the springtime when the weather is milder. You get to go out with family and friends and have a wonderful time. It's a great idea for Mother's Day, for baby showers, bridal showers, small groups, team builders, maybe for your office, family reunions. There's just so many different ways to enjoy this. It's typically done among women, but men are also welcome to come along as well. And in today's video, we're going to go through step by step and see exactly how we did ours today. And just to say that this is a part of an open collaboration hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living. We're joined by Courtney, Melissa, Anna, and myself. And I'll be linking our channels in the description box below. And it's called April Showers Bring Me Flowers. And here are some beautiful flowers that I have on display right here. I have a little mushroom on top. And I'll tell you guys where I got these items from so you can get some for yourself. That beautiful flower pot right there says Flowers and Garden. It didn't have a hole in the bottom though, so we had to put some in there for proper drainage. But that came from the dollar store, as well as a little mushroom that's on top that I mentioned earlier. And over here we have some cute little houses. Looks something straight from a storybook is how it looks to me. I just like it. You have the little flowers on top, and those remind me of the little umbrellas. So of course I think it blends in perfectly with the theme, April Showers Bring May Flowers. So these are just $1.25 at the dollar store. You can mix and match as many as you like. So I got 3 of them to come right here. And looking at this, you almost feel like someone's going to open the door and tell you to come in and have some tea or something. It's just so cute. And this is great to enjoy with, your kids as well too, as a parent or just someone who's taking care of them. And of course, the mat that I've had it there. I've had it for quite some time. And I like the color. I think it works well for spring. And I've used it for Christmas too. And over here we have our tier tray with, lots of different delicacies on there. There's something there for everyone. I made some banana muffins here. I also have some sandwich cookies, as well as some single serving cookies, Milano cookies there. And we had something for the vegans here. We had some little, sandwiches. I had tomatoes, cucumbers, and hummus in there. Very healthy and very tasty. We had some grapes right here. Those are always a plus, enjoyed by everyone. And I put some rosemary leaves in there from my garden. So it's good to use your herbs from your garden when you're doing these to add that pop of green. You can use like peppermint as well. Perhaps basil would work too, just to balance out some of the colors there. And, we have some oranges and apples as well. And those are so good for you. So we're going to take a look now at, some of the items that we used here. We have, and this is the time, guys, to bring out your fine china. I have some little forks here and some spoons. And this little set that I have here, or I'm showing here, is actually my sister's. And I just absolutely love it. She got it in an estate sale. And it is so beautiful. It has the golden rim, around the cups and around the plates and so on. And in this case, typically when you're doing a tea party, it's not like large food. It's typically just bite-sized pieces. So you don't really need to have like large plates on the table unless that's what you're really going for. So these are, a perfect idea. And these napkins actually came from the dollar store, and I thought they looked so spring-like, and the colors matched in with everything. And then over here now I have this vintage coffee pot that you can use for coffee or tea that my mom passed down to me, and I just always love that color for spring or sometimes even for St. Patrick's Day. This isn't a bad idea for that occasion either. And here you'll see I have the creamer and I have the sugar bowl, and those are part of a plate set that I've had for many years that we got at Walmart. And of course we have our doily down there under them that adds that, contrast. And of course you'll have to have your tea. In some cases you may want to use like single packets of tea like we did here. Sometimes you could just make a full, like pot of tea and refill it as needed, because of course it's going to get colder over time. Here I have some green tea. I have some Earl Grey tea. And it's also good to have, some herbal tea as well. In this case, I have soursop. Of course, you have peppermint, you have chamomile. There's a host of them that you can use. And just to say that, if you are having herbal teas there, it's not a bad idea to put some honey out as well, which I didn't, but you can put that out as well, because some people like to have that with their tea. So I thought that set came out, it balanced out the colors and everything. I thought it looked really, really nice. So I'm hoping it's giving you some great ideas for your garden tea party. And of course, the colors, the flowers and everything, it just gives you that nice garden mood that we are going for. So we have all of these delicacies right here, guys. And of course, there's always ribbon sandwiches. Lots of people do those as well too, with those nice colors. And, it just, is so wonderful for everyone to have a little something here and there that they like and just enjoy the happy occasion. And I just love the little fairy house look there, the little story tale type of thing. It's just so wonderful. And of course, I love flowers. This is a gardening channel, so I'm always going to have some flowers there. But bear in mind, it's not just the ones that are in pots. You can also have some cut flowers like these beautiful ones right here. We have roses in there. We have some statice, which are the fillers. And we have the beautiful red gerberia daisies. So you can use, roses, whatever you like for your cut flowers. Or if you just wanted to use a potted ones like I did there, then, that's perfectly fine as well too. And so I did, and of course you want to make sure you have your tiered tray. That's a good idea because it helps to save on space, because it's, it goes up, so that way you have a little more room to put your other things. And of course I have my beautiful croton right there, all those lovely colors, perfect for this season. And guys, if you love flowers as much as I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell. I arrange flowers, but for the most part, I grow them, and I'll show you like little tips, on how to get the best results, whether you're a beginner or you're a seasoned gardener. And of course, while you're on the garden tea party, it's always wonderful to enjoy the flowers that are actually in the garden, like this wonderful salvia right here, an excellent pollinator. And I'll try to do a video on this in the next coming weeks to see why you really would love to have one of those. And of course, these beautiful hydrangeas here, I showed them and many other flower choices in my last video, which I'll link at the end for you so that we can get some ideas for your garden. So guys, enjoy your garden tea party, enjoy the weather, enjoy your family and friends, whatever the occasion may be. I just hope that this gave you some great ideas. I'm giving an overhead view here so you can see them. And guys, my live video showing the step-by-step on all the things that you'll need to bear in mind when you're doing a garden tea party will be coming on at 7 p.m. Eastern time if you're catching this on the day that the video is released. If not, you can just go to tap on my channel icon, it on the live tab, and that will show you the video. Guys, be sure to tap the notification bell twice so that way you'll get notified of when my next video is coming out, and you can follow along, and see what I'm up to. So I hope you'll get to join us live, and we'll exchange ideas. It's going to be a wonderful time. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Take care.